but because it is, hang on, let me do this. I'll show you what you get first. Okay, it is a stencil binder. Okay, kind of looks boring. You get a sticker with it, a clear sticker that you can put on there if you want to. Also, though, I'm going to put on my website that it will be a free download, is a sheet that you can put in there because I think this is prettier. But this is actually a sneak peek. I need to trim it a little bit more. This is a sneak peek to what is inside. Are you ready? Get set. Dun, 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 dun. Stencils. It's stencil pockets. Now, the cardstock I added the cardstock because I wanted you to be able to see the stencils. You are getting 10 stencils. You are getting 10 stencils in this set, and I have samples to show you. But are you ready? So you're getting that fun swirl. You're getting a fun heart. You are getting this flower. Now, that flower alone would be great, but it has these funny looking stars down there. Why would Stephanie have stars on there? I have no idea. So we are going to turn the page, and this one has stars too, and it has a different image. What? This one has stars also, and we're going to demo this, don't worry, and it has something different. So when you put all three of those together, yes, they are layering stencils, you are going to get this. Without that, you are going to get this. Look at how fun this is. Now, let's keep going. Let's keep going. So you are getting 10 stencils total. The cardstock is separate. That's just what I put in there because I wanted you to be able to put 2 stencils on in each pocket. So they're there. Okay, now butterflies. Butterfly. Now it has these funny little extra pieces right here. You're going to line it up, and I'm going to show you what we're talking about. Just a second. So this butterfly goes with this butterfly, although you could use it separate. Ready? And it goes with this one, and it goes with this one. So that one has a 4-pack if you want, or you could just use them separate. Then there's also this fun one that's like perfect for grass. But I wanted you to have lots of extra pockets. So extra pockets are, I don't even know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You can 11, add the ones you already have or get
12,
new ones, right?
13,
to fill it up. Is that
14, right? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's probably 20, but I counted 19. Now, why? Why do you have so many extra? Number 1, for the stencils you already have. Or number 2, for the layering stencils that I sold on HSN about 6 months ago, the Christmas version and the everyday one. Guess what? Now you can put them all together. Now you can put them all together. And this will be a digital download on our website. I don't think I'm allowed to say that on HSN, but I can tell you, give me by next week, it will be in the freebie section. Can you get just the booklet? No. Sorry, you cannot get just the booklet. So if you want just the booklet, you could just order them and give the extra stencils to a friend. That would work. So that is the stencil binder. You get 10. Now, before we go further, let me show you some samples, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to do because they're so amazing. So let's go to this one. So here we go. You're the sweetest. Now, if you like that saying, you're the sweetest, stay tuned because there is more. Ready? Oh, here's a cute one. Look at that fun. That it looks, I call it like grass. It looks like little grass, but it's like little tick marks, which is really cute. I got to come up with a better name for that one. Okay. But look at how cute that is. Oh, Mandy, you're so sweet. Here's another one. This is hearts. Look at how fun. Just hearts. You are loved by me. Step up. Now, look.
This is, sorry, Stephanie.
This is the stencils.
Oh, still stencils.
And here we go. This is the fun background. Now, here's a sample of the flower. Remember? Here's a sample of the flower. Here's a sample of the flower. Now, if you wanted, could you do just the flower tops? Yeah. If you wanted, could you just do the green part? Of course. You get to mix and match. Here's another version of that flower. There we go. Then, yes, you're going to be able to add at least 38 more stencils to the binder because there's 19 extra pages. Then here is the butterfly. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, look at this pretty edge. That's coming up later tonight. But look at how fun those are. Now, I know I'm saying how easy it is and all that good stuff. Well, what's important is that I show you how easy it is. So I'm going to kind of move some stuff off to the side. And we're going to get out the flower one. So that's a 3-pack. So that's 1. And I honestly, you guys, I could store all 3 of these in one pocket if I wanted to. They totally fit. In fact, I will show you what that looks like so you can see it. So all 3 of these layer, right? They all layer together. Let me just do it kind of in order. There we go. So they all layer together. And I could easily put them in the one pocket, okay? Plus still have some on the other side. That's not a problem. All 3 of them could go together. So if you wanted to and double up on some of these, that's great because then you have more empty pockets for other stencils, right? So those are the 3 that we're going to work on. There's lots of different ways, but I'm going to like kind of do it like how I would if I'm at HSN. So I'm going to grab some just white cardstock. Oh, Ken doesn't like white cardstock, but oh well. So we're going to grab, oh, okay. Here's some white cardstock. What we're going to do is there like a rhyme or reason to which order? No, not really. I just do it. I don't really think too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Better Than Washi up at the top. And if you've never used our Better Than Washi, I highly recommend you check it out. It's on the Stamps of Life website, but it literally is Better Than Washi because when you run it through a die cut machine, like if you're holding down your dies, when you run it through a die cut machine, sometimes if you use washi, it will tear or it'll pull fibers from your cardstock. This will not. So just something to think about. So I'm going to grab the green brushes and I'm going to grab some green ink, which this is the part that I wasn't fully ready for. Sorry. So here's some green ink and we are, oh, you know what? I'm actually going to tape down here too, just to make sure I don't cover anything important, right? And so I'm going to grab my brush. I'm going to ink this baby up. Check it. And I still hold it, even though I have it taped, I still hold it because I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'm just going to, now, when you have a bigger stencil like this, I highly recommend the bigger brushes because you get so much more coverage. Now, I know a lot of you already have these brushes. If you do not, they are on hsn.com. And we're just going to add these. Now, remember those funny looking stars that I showed you? Well, let's check these out because what we're going to do is, yes, we're going to still do those stars, okay? We need to do those stars. It's kind of important. So now I am going to lift up just the bottom, leave that as a hinge. I'm going to lift up the bottom to make sure I have everything. Oh, that looks beautiful. Okay, done. So I'm going to lift that up. Reuse the washi. The Better Than Washi. Now, let's get a pink because pink is the best color in the world. And we are going to get some pink ink. Maybe. There we go. Ooh, let's do this one. So we're going to get some pink ink and we are going to do the next one. So let's do the flower. And what I'm going to do now, my friends, is I'm going to see these little stars right here. I'm going to line this up right there to that star I already did. Right there to the star I already did. Now I'm ready to add this. Now I'm going to hold this down and I'm going to press and I'm going to hold this down and I'm going to press. Now I'm ready to go. So now I'm doing my pink. And the nice thing about stencils, layering stencils, is you just get more variety. I could do these any color I want, right? And that's what's fun because every time you do it, it's a different style. It's something different about it. So I'm just going to go and see how fast I'm doing this. I'm talking and not even really paying that much attention. I don't have to do the stars again. I really don't. Now, if you wanted to use the whole enchilada and you wanted to use this whole page and those stars are in the wrong spot, what you can do is you can use a little piece of scratch paper and tape that down, anything you want, and do the stars on the scratch paper, then peel off the scratch paper and boom, then you have your stencil, right? You have the full amount, but it doesn't bother me. So I'm just going to do this. Okay. There is, ooh, I see a little bit missing right there. Pink. Now I will double check again. Always check, always check. Looking good. Done. Okay. And last but not least, we're going to get purple. Purple. And I think this is, you know what? The grape wasn't making me happy the other day. Let's do this one. Orchid. So here we go. Here is orchid. We're going to do the same thing. Again, the stars. And I would love for you to see the butterflies in action too, but that one's a 4 and it takes a little bit longer, but I do have samples to show you so you'll be able to see it, okay? Make sure your stars are lined up. Take an extra second because it's kind of important, and always double check it. Don't 100% trust your stars, because sometimes it could be off just a little and you don't notice. So I'm getting my head in the way and I'm looking and I'm making sure, yep, that looks good. Tape down, and here we go. So we're going to add this. Remember, the Stamps of Life is at the bottom, so you'll know which is the front and which is the back. And now we're going in and adding the purple.
Stephanie, will the stencils from the Fold It Club fit in this?
Yes, absolutely. Fold It Club stencils will definitely fit in here, my friends. Definitely. So the ones that I would put in here from the Fold It Club would be the background ones. The ones that match the Fold It die, I would keep with the Fold It die, but the backgrounds that are separate, that could be every day or anytime, I would definitely store in here. I would definitely.
Are the sleeves pretty durable? What do you think?
I haven't torn one yet.
Okay.
So I've been using it for a while and I haven't torn anything yet. So we're going to lift this up and lift that up, and look at that. A work of art. A work of art. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that pretty? So and look, some are darker, some are lighter. That's just the pressure on the brush. I could have made them darker. I could have made them lighter, but the choice is mine. This is 5x7. The design is 5x7 in size. So it will definitely fit on a 5x7 card front. There you go. So that is the stencil set. It comes with 10 stencils. You'd always want to clean off your stencils. I usually have cheap baby wipes here, but I think I took them upstairs. So you're always going to want to clean off your stencils. But that is how simple it is to make a work of art, which is absolutely amazing. Yes, and make sure your stars are aligned. Absolutely. So that is the stencil binder. Again, this will be available on our website next week as a free download. And you can just download it and print it. Or if you don't want to, put a piece of pink cardstock or any color cardstock. And if you want to, you can use the sticker that we gave you.
And you mean just the cover, right? Not the binder, actually.
Sorry, yes. This piece right here is the free download, the free printable download right here. This piece right here. So that goes in there. Okay, so that, oh my gosh, look how well those match. That's pretty impressive. Okay, so that is the stencil binder. I showed you some samples of that. Pretty awesome. I'm really excited about that one, because now you have a way to store your stencils, which is really important.